How many video tools do you have installed on your computer? One for format conversion, one for upscaling, one for editing, one for downloading. Every time you make a video, it feels like you're playing a game of software hopscotch, but don't worry, I have a solution. In this video, we will explore VideoProc Converter AI. VideoProc Converter AI is a single software solution for conversion, AI enhancement, editing, downloading, screen recording, and DVD ripping. Software link is in video's description. Click on that to download VideoProc Converter AI. Once downloaded, go with the basic installation. Click on Launch. Here you can access multiple AI tools and non-AI tools for image, video, and audio, along with screen recorder and downloader. Super Resolution is for enhancing video quality and resolution. First, I will try Super Resolution. Now we are on Super Resolution AI dashboard. On right side panel, you can choose processing device. I will keep CPU. You can also set graphics card as processing device. In AI model drop-down list, you can see 4 different AI models. Each one shows its features below as you select it. You can choose any according to your video input. Here I will select Gen Details version 3. Now you can choose high quality mode or fast mode. I will prefer quality over speed. You can upscale up to 4x. You can also set resolution manually. You even have option to enhance video without upscaling. Below you can edit exporting settings. Video codec, I will set H.264. Audio, I will set pass-through. Video format, I will set MP4. Quality, I will set high. Here you can drag and drop any video file. Or you can use Add Media to locate your file. Here I am adding a video. You can zoom in or zoom out by scrolling mouse wheel. For quality check, you can use dual window or split window. AI model, I will set Gen Detail V3. On top of main window, you can see resolution of original video and output video. Resolution, I will set 1920 by 1080 pixel. Click on Start. Once everything's set, click on Run. Within few minutes, your enhanced video is ready. Here you can see output video. As you can see, quality and resolution both are enhanced. Video quality is sharper with Ultra HD details. Let's try another example. This time I am adding a low-resolution anime video. Video resolution is just 854 x 480. AI model I will set anime. Resolution I will set 1920 by 1080 pixel. Click on Start. Now you can compare input and output quality. Looking good. Now click on Run. Within few minutes your enhanced video is ready. Here you can see output video. Video quality is much sharper with Ultra HD details. Let's take one more example. AI model I will set Gen Detail v3. Scale I will set 2x. Now click on Run. Within few minutes your enhanced video is ready. Here you can see output video. Video quality is upscaled with Ultra HD details. Here you can see video resolution is 2560 x 1440 pixel. This video is 1920 x 1080 pixel. This video is also 1920 by 1080 pixel. Now let's close super resolution. Click on Image AI. Click on Add Image. By zooming in you can see input and output difference. As you can see, input image is grainy. AI model I will set Gen Detail v3. Image format I will set PNG. Now click on Run. Within few seconds your enhanced image is ready. Let's try another example. In Preview window, you can compare original and output image. Sharpness and details are amazing in Output Preview. You can see image quality has much details and sharpness. But I want even more improvement. I will select Face Restoration. AI model I will set Rebuild. Face type I will set High Quality. Composition I will keep Gradient Overlay. Now click on Start. And now you can check output. Face restoration is really amazing feature. Compare input and output images. It's unbelievable. Click on Run to save image. Let's try one more example. This time I am adding low-resolution blurry image. Here you can check input and output resolution. AI model I will set anime. Scale I will keep 2x. In preview window, you can compare original and output image. Click on Run to save image. Within few seconds, your enhanced image is ready. Let's try one last example. In preview window, you can compare original and output image. I will scale it 3x. Image format I will set PNG. Click on Run to save image. Within few seconds, your enhanced image is ready. Here you can see image is upscaled 3600 by 2400 pixel. Now let's close Image AI. VideoProc Converter AI is a total 10 software bundle. It has video converter, DVD ripper, video downloader, file compressor, screen recorder, video stabilizer, video frame interpolation, and audio AI. Have you ever calculated how much you spend on video tool subscriptions each month? Over the course of a year, that adds up to enough to buy a brand new smartphone. In fact, for some tools, a one-time lifetime purchase works out to be even cheaper than an annual subscription. VideoProc Converter AI has mid-year super sale at this time and has 62% off. You can get lifetime license for one PC in just $39.95. In this price, you will also get 4 more software license free. That is worth of $283.98. And if you want to buy 5 PCs license, it will be just $59.95 only. Click on the link in video's description to avail this offer. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.